Today we're unboxing the new Spigen Liquid Air case for the new iPhone 16. Let's check the fit, see how the materials are, and see how well it sticks to MagSafe accessories. Easy open packaging on the Spigen items. Little design inside. Got some texture here. Now this one is very thin, very flimsy. This is definitely not a case that you're going to want to drop from, off the top of a ladder or anything like that. Let's check the fit. Fit feels pretty good. We've got plenty of room to access the gesture button over here. On the bottom, got enough room to plug in your accessories and holes for speakers and microphones, even up on top. We've got protection of the camera bump, and it looks like we've got full protection of that camera bump. Now, I do like the texture of this. It's got a little bit of grip, but not too much, but it's not like slippery or anything like that. Now, let's see how well it works here. We do have charging through here, even though this isn't technically a MagSafe case. And let's see, it is thin, but let's see how well it holds on to a MagSafe accessory. Yeah, not quite secure enough if you are using MagSafe like a car adapter or something like that. So if you're not super into a MagSafe accessory lineup, then I think you'll be safe with this case. But if you are heavily invested in MagSafe holders, MagSafe car chargers, things like that, then you might want to go with one that's specifically for MagSafe.